There are confirmed cases of the coronavirus in nearly a dozen states. 9 people have died in Washington due to the virus. KPVI News That Works For You journalist Kade Garner tells us what that means for Idaho.
People in nearly 75 countries across the globe have tested positive for the novel coronavirus. With just over 3,000 deaths globally, so far only 9 have been reported in the United States. However, all 9 happened in Idaho's neighbor state, Washington. Nonetheless, local experts don't want you to worry more than necessary.
We want to be alert but not panic, and that's the fine line right there, because people do panic when a new virus comes out like this.
The Gem State's governor is also reminding the public that there's no need for panic.
At this time, the immediate risk to the general public has been and continues to be low.
Online, it may not seem like it, but experts say
Social media is just flooded with all kinds of unsubstantiated reports and things like that. So I would just recommend people really check their fact sources and what they're reading.
making sure Idahoans have the best information available is something the governor is working on.
I am creating a working group of our agencies, leaders in healthcare, education, business, and local government to make sure all communities are prepared.
Being prepared means knowing what to look out for. Those who have the virus often don't show symptoms for up to 2 weeks. And the symptoms are often very similar to those of a respiratory infection. Even then, though, if you are showing symptoms, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have the virus.
They're having extreme shortness of breath, and they have been to Wuhan City, China, or they have been in direct contact. So direct contact, when I say that, they were within 6 feet of a patient that was diagnosed with this novel coronavirus for 10 minutes or longer.
The virus, like the flu, can live on surfaces for some time. So, all of us should practice good prevention habits.
I ask you to remain vigilant to prevent the spread of disease. Wash your hands regularly. Take precautions to avoid all respiratory diseases, including staying at home if you're sick.
Parents should keep their kids home from school or social activities if they do not feel well. In Pocatello, I'm Kade Garner for KPVI News That Works For You.
Governor Little will hold a press conference tomorrow to discuss precautions and information Idahoans need to know about the coronavirus. We'll have more on this story tomorrow on KPVI News at 5.